Hey YouTube, what's up? SPEEDY here with another video. So today we'll be doing a SPEEDY car review. We'll be doing a review on the BMW M5 Police. So I'll do stuff real quick. Get out the way. So here's the police car. It's a nice car. I love the tampos on it. BMW M5 sedan. It don't have to be a sedan, it's a police car. But very nice police. I'm not sure what language this is. I know it's European. You guys have to tell me. But it says police, but in a different language. I like that wheel color actually. Part of the reason why I picked this up. But yeah, it's a nice car. The paint detailing is really nice actually. I can move my big hand out of the way. But yeah, if you like this video, like and subscribe for more videos in the future. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.